Hi there, this is Dafina Lovelace, founder and CEO of DIY Investment Clubs, where we teach high achieving professionals and entrepreneurs how to start investment clubs and invest in the stock market and other opportunities so that they can fund their dream life. So, the three options that generally you can take advantage of with stock purchases are to have your stocks granted to you as part of your employment contract in the form of stock options. You can also purchase stock if your company offers one through an employee stock purchase program. And you also have the opportunity to just do direct stock purchases. Also, you can do stock options out in the marketplace as well. But this is why it's a good idea to purchase your company stock. You're there anyway. No matter if you're going to stay there for 2 years, some people have stayed at companies 4, 7, 15 years. If you think this is a company that you could see yourself retiring from, then I want you today to start purchasing or taking advantage of stock purchase opportunities, because this is how people are generating wealth. You can Sure, you are going to work every day and you're exchanging your time for their money. However, the time and effort that you're putting into that company is helping them generate more income. It's helping them to generate more um, favor with their ideal customers. It's helping them to generate more income overall. And it's a level of optimism that their shareholders also have, which has shareholders continuously purchasing more and more stock. And so if you're putting all of your sweat equity into that company, all of your intellectual capital is going into making that company better. If you're not getting a return on that investment outside of your paycheck, which eventually just goes into the items that you consume, you're not really putting your capital to work for you as best as you could. And this is your thought, your intellectual capital, and your economic capital, as well as your social capital through the relationships you have with the people at that company. These are all parts of you that are going into making that company better. And so shouldn't you be rewarded for that? Yes. So, taking advantage of purchasing your company's stock is one way to start to grow your overall net worth, to grow your wealth profile, and to be able to continuously and to be able to continuously reap the rewards of all that you're contributing to the top line and the bottom line of that organization. Believe me, the CEO, all of the CEO's peers, anybody that reports directly to the CEO, those people are making money through performance of the company overall. And it's not just at bonus time, but it's through the increase of value of the stock. And that only happens because people like you are churning out great products, meeting deadlines on time, and creating great experiences for customers, suppliers, and vendors. So I want you today to think about taking a portion of every paycheck and begin investing in your company stock. I'll tell you quickly, I started out my career in financial services, and I was one of the programmers that created and wrote the code that manage employee stock purchases and employee stock option programs for major corporations. So as those companies like the Disneys and the Payne Webbers and the NBCs and the ABCs were paying their employees in stock options, or allowing their employees to contribute to with every paycheck small amounts in order to purchase shares of stock. So it's out of mind, and it's coming directly out of the paycheck, so they learn to live without it. These were some, I would see this is long before some of the new finance laws that are in place now, like Sarbanes-Oxley and whatnot. But you could see that these people were just generating great amount of wealth for the companies that they work for. And this was outside of their paycheck. So they were able to make large purchases of stock at very low dollar amounts. And because they were going to continue to work there anyway and put in their sweat equity and their time and their intellectual capital, their social capital, contributing to that organization, they were able to really profit off of the success of that organization and not just within a paycheck. So, as an employee, I want you to start thinking of yourself also as an investor. And in order to be able to reap the rewards that an investor will receive, you need to be investing in your company's stock. So that's my tip for the day. I hope you enjoy it. If you'd like some more tips on how to build wealth through investing or start your own investment club, go and check out the blog at diyinvestmentclubs.com/blog. Thanks. This is Defina. Have a great day and invest in what you consume.